How to transfer major from Binance to Bybit on PC. Now, first of all, we need to get the withdrawal address of major token from our Bybit account. Now, how to do that? Make sure to log into your account on Bybit and head over to Assets. Now, click on Deposits. And now after that, click on Select Crypto. Now, search for major like that. After you find your token, now click on it. And now select the chain as a tone. And now you can copy the withdrawal address. Now, go and open your Binance account. And now head over to Wallet and click on Spot. And as you can see here, click on withdraw. Now in the search for major. Now as you can see, you can't find it. So because it's not officially listed on Binance, but in the future, if it's listed, I will show you how to transfer it. Now, for example, this is our token. For example, USDT, this is the major. So after you find it, now click on it. And as you can see, click on address. In the recipient address, you can provide the so because it's not the same, so because this is the tone and USDT, it may be in the BNB. So for example, this is the withdrawal address. Now select the network. You can now, if you have the memo, you can provide it. If you don't, it's optional. Now you can type the amount that you want to transfer. And now click on withdraw, and after that, in about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive a token on your Bybit account. So this is how to transfer major from Binance to Bybit on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.